So we are right off the elevators on the 6th floor, suite 631. They give you these fun key cards in this nice little pouch, but let's go ahead and open up the door and take a look inside. First up, we have Tom here, typing up his correspondence here on the hotel's vintage typewriter.
And it get all jammed up already.
But when you're not looking at the desk here right at reception, you might be turned around enjoying this living room area. A ceiling fan, some comfortable seating, nice little side table, some sort of pouch booklet. Looks like it's the hotel information. Some pictures here on the coffee table. Everything is very well decorated. It is very restoration hardware. Next to the front door, there is a little closet. Just for coats. Around the corner, you can prepare yourself in this nice big mirror, or grab a snack here from the kitchen. It does come with a nice full-size refrigerator, well, not full-size, slightly smaller, very narrow. They do provide some beverages, some snacks on the counter. In the freezer below, there's some ice cream, an ice maker, an ice cube tray. Lots of cabinetry, a microwave, there's popcorn available. Your breakfast selections are here. Every morning they will deliver them to your room, some of which are complimentary, some of which are an extra charge. You do have some glassware here in the cabinet. The cabinets are soft closing. Some garbage area and dish detergent under the sink. Lots of storage room if you want to bring some of your own food items if you're staying here for several days like we are. Aha, there is some silverware, a couple of corkscrews as well, that's always handy. Little sink, coffee maker with some actual coffee beans. Little counter for eating, more cabinet space. There's also a table here for eating. Stools. This is neat. If you get the adjoining room, it's hidden behind this sliding door on rails. But if you're going to keep that locked off, close that and it disappears. Let's take a look out the window. From this side, you get a parking lot view. But there's a nice church steeple there in the distance. And if you look real closely, you can kind of see some water over there. As we make our way into the other half of the room, the suite, some more art on the wall here. And the first bathroom is a little guest bath. Some Beekman goat milk face and body soap. A couple of towels. The toilet. Then we come into the main bedroom area. Sumptuous bed. Couple of nightstands. Nice wooden clock. On the other side here we have a telephone. And more pillows than I can count. There is another closet here. This is the one where you're going to find your iron, your ironing board, some slippers, some robes. Across from the bed, you've got this TV viewing area. A nice little sculpture on the wall of a horse head. Mirror on the other side. Some comfortable seating. And the piece de resistance, the bathroom. Inside here, we have a nice big soaking tub. A very large shower. Inside the shower, you can see they have a rain head, as well as a wand. And the controls for those are here on the side, so you don't get wet as you turn them on. Nice fluffy towels. And a little toilet hidden back over here. Yeah, another robe. And lots of shelving to put your toiletries. Couple of dual sinks here for his and hers. Lots of mirrors. And if that weren't enough, this room has a balcony. A very narrow but very large balcony. Again, on this side, we've got the parking area. And on this side, the pool. And over here, if you look real close, you can see a cruise ship leaving in the distance. There's the marina over there, and the bridge.